Hello fellas, it's Daniel Patrick here and I'm back with another new video today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to restore or recover your lost B network account. Okay, you're also going to be learning about the issue you usually have when you try to fix in your login details and you tend to see an error message telling you that your account does not exist. I'm going to treat that very issue in today's video and how to get back your B network account. So make sure you pay attention and don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out on important information I'm going to be sharing with you in this very video. So without further ado, let's get straight in. After downloading the B Network app from Google Play Store or Apple Store, this is how it's going to look like. Now what you're meant to do is to click on the sign in button, and when you click on the sign in button, you'll see 4 options right here, which is continue with phone number or email, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with wallet. I'm going to select continue with phone number or email. Now there's the phone number section and there's the email section, right? So I'm going to switch to the email section right now, and I'll be doing this because I want to recover my account with my Google email, okay, with my email. All right, it doesn't matter the type of email. Now what you want to use to recover your accounts totally depends on you. Now if you want to recover your account, is either you use your phone number or email. If you don't have your phone number anymore, then you have to know that the email is the only option you have, but I believe you have one of them, because the only way to recover your account is to have one of these, either your phone number which you used to open the B Network account or your email account. Okay, so whichever one that suits you best, then you go with it. It's still the same thing. Okay, same thing would always play out. I'm going to show you all these right now. Now from the email section, I'm just going to go ahead and click on forget password, which is what a lot of us usually do. You don't really have to enter your email right there, right? Just go ahead and click on forget password and this will bring you to the password reset page, okay? And you'll be automatically placed in the mail reset section. All right, there's the phone number reset section and the mail reset section. Now if you were in the phone number reset section earlier, you'll be redirected to the phone number reset section, but even if you want to switch, you can always switch at the top. Now the first thing you're meant to do is to enter the email you used to register for your B Network account. Next, you enter the verification code that will be sent to you, but there's something that is really troubling. Now this is where a lot of people usually get it wrong. Okay, once you click on get code right now, you're going to see this very message or notification at the top that says the account is not registered. Okay, and this is where a lot of people usually get lost and don't really know what to do anymore. This shouldn't be a problem for you. Now 2 things has been discovered to be the reason this is happening. Number 1, system error, and number 2, older accounts. Now if you created your account around the time B Network was created, which is somewhere around December 2020 and 2021, you're likely to experience this very issue. Okay, but if you created a new account for B Network around 2023, 2024 or this year and you experience this issue, it could also be system error, right? I'm going to show you what to do to resolve this very issue right now, so stick with me. And if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button so this video could reach a wider audience who need this very information. All you just have to do is to head back right now, right? Because if you head to your email, you won't really see anything. Now let's head back. From the email section, here's what you need to do. Input your email right there and click on the yellow button below your screen that says next. Now once you do this, it's going to redirect you to this very page. Now this is the password page, and this is another place people usually get it confused again. Now I'm going to enter my password right now in the field provided, but after entering the password and clicking on next, you're going to see this very error message at the top which says incorrect account or password. Now even if the password is correct, you are still going to see this very message. Now the reason this is happening is because just like Pi Network, when B Network was first created, password was not needed. With just your email, you could create your account immediately. So when they updated the servers and fixed everything, this became a real issue because a lot of people lost out on their accounts. But do not worry, I got you. Now just below your screen, below the next button, you're going to see a link that says send code. Now this is the same for the phone number if you decide to use the phone number, so just click on that send code right now. Now once you click on this send code, it's going to bring you to this page which is going to ask you to fill in the code that has been sent to your email. That is the very email you provided in your B Network, right? So we're going to head to our email right now. Now once you head over to your email, this is the message at the top right here. Click on it and copy your code. You come back and paste in that very email and then click on next. Now this is loading up and this would bring you straight into your B Network account instantly, right? So you can see we are back in our B Network account right now, and you can see my total referrals is reflecting right there. People that are active is also reflecting. My coin balance is reflecting. Everything is still intact. Okay, so this is basically what you need to do to recover your B Network account. So I'm just going to turn on the miner right now. Like I said before, to recover your account, the only thing you need is your email and your mobile phone number. Okay, one of these, right? Now, if you're this person that have a new phone but you don't know how to link or connect your B network account to the new phone, this is what you need to do. If you don't also have that very number, what you're meant to do right now in your old device is to go bind your email address to this very account. Okay, make sure you bind your email address to this very account, and to bind that email address, it's not hard at all. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, from the phone screen right now, to bind your account, just click on the profile section on the far right. Okay, and once you click on this, you're going to arrive at this very page right now. So what you're meant to do is you just scroll down and click on this very one that says account and security. Now the moment you click on it, you're going to see my email right here. Okay, as you can see, this is my email. I successfully binded most of my social media handles to the B network app, and one of them right here is the Discord, the Telegram, and the X, which is Twitter. Okay, so this is where I binded my email, and this is where I binded my phone number. So what you're meant to do right now is to go ahead and bind your email right away. Okay, make sure you also bind either your Telegram or your Discord and X. I remember when I was singing this in Pi Network, and some people called me fool. Some people said I didn't know what I was saying, that if you bind your phone number, it's okay. You don't have to bind your Facebook account or your email address. But I kept preaching this, bind everything, and today it's really a problem for a lot of people. So make sure you bind at least 3 social media handles, or at least 2 of them. I believe a lot of us have Telegram and X, right, or probably Discord, but at least bind one, and then bind your email, the most important, because this is what you're going to use to recover your account. Now once you do this, you can now go ahead and try recovering your B network account on your new device. Okay, or if you stop mining for a long time, this is now the opportunity to recover a B network account, right? So one more thing you need to take advantage of right here on the B network app is the boost section. Make sure you make good use of this, because this is a booster, right? This is just like a free booster for you sitting right in front of you. Make sure you make good use of this, because this would actually increase what you earn. Okay, it increases your earning. If I click on this right now, this is going to display an ad. So I'm just going to wait for this ad to round up. Okay, I'm just going to click on this to X out of it. Alright, I decided to X out of the ad in order not to waste our precious time, but if you click on this, make sure you watch the ad and your mining rate would increase. Okay, so this is basically what you need to know about recovering your lost B network account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, do well to leave a like and share, so that this video will get to a greater audience. Okay, so that people who need this very information would get to see it easily. If this is your first time stopping by, like I always say, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on to all, so you don't miss out on the next B network video I'm going to be creating. Until we meet again, I remain your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.